All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Dylan Anderson. I'm a second semester student here at Rankin. This is my final project presentation. I went ahead and made a Pokemon or a TCG inventory and sales manager. The reason I went ahead and did something like this is right now it kind of fits something that I need, and I'm assuming something that a lot of other card shops around the area that are, they're all mom and pop shops pretty much. So it's probably, and if they're not spending anything on CRMs, they would need something a little bit easier than Excel to use. I would say I've found out that Excel's very difficult. Um, for the common person to use to kind of keep track of everything, especially when going with having hundreds, if not thousands, of cards to inventory. So this is just something that I think I will use going forward. So I'm glad that I got the opportunity to make it. Um, this tracks customers, it creates sales, and it calculates profits and totals through a dashboard system. The features that I used are CRUD management, sale creation system, and dashboard tracking. The technology concepts that I used are obviously C Sharp WinForms, object oriented programming. I used list data storage. I stayed within the multiple forms and exception handling. This is kind of the layout that I used. Whenever we get into the app itself, you'll see the on the dashboard, I have multiple different areas that you can, or a menu that you can click and go to different screens. It also tracks data. I kind of did that through a class called App Data, which shares data between the card, the customer, and the order. And then some of the other classes that I used are card, customer, and order. So let's get into kind of how the app is used. So when you get into it, you'll kind of see the dashboard. You have the menu over here. This will track total sales. This will track profit loss. Um, this will show all your orders, and this will keep track of all your cards. And you can just hover over it and kind of it'll show you full data. So if you click on manage cards, it'll take you to this screen. So let's just input a few cards here. We'll put Charizard from base set and put him at near met market price. We'll have the buy price at, and we'll leave the sell price blank for right now. It'll tell you that you added the card. And then let's do just one more. Umbreon V from Evolving Skies. Let's call this Near Mint Plus. Now, going through this, I should have added some sort of portion for graded card tracking from PSA, Beckett, CGS, something like that. So moving forward, when I kind of use this with my everyday stuff, I will probably just continue to add to it as stuff that I see that I need. So we'll put the market price in here for that. We'll put the buy price in there, and then we will leave the sell price blank. So over here, you can click on the full card. It'll pop up, so you'll if you have a full card list, you can scroll through, find the card that you need. You can just click on the card. Let's just say we have a customer that wanted to buy the Charizard, and we sold the Charizard for $750. Let's update that card. It'll show you now that the sell price is $750. So let's go back. And over here, you can see that we've got the Umbreon V, we've got the Charizard from base set at near mint, and it's got your sales stuff. So let's continue to make an order of the customer that bought the card. So let's just go ahead and put in my information. If they were buying it online or through whatnot, you can enter their username. You can do their email. And then put some notes. So let's just say that I put a down payment on the Charizard plus let's put in there that I wanted a cleaning service as well, plus additional cleaning, plus let's just say I'm sending the card off for myself to get graded, plus send to get graded. You can go to add customer. You'll create a customer list over here. You can go through, click on the customer just like before. You can update the notes, everything else you can clear, you can delete. So let's just go back and then we'll go to create sale. So if you have multiple customers in there, this drop down menu will show you, show you multiple customers to choose from. So for now, you can also click new customer, which will take you to the customer window. So you can just add customers from this screen as well if you're just creating a sale from this screen. So let's hit next here. This is where you'll see the cards listed. So let's pick the Charizard that was for sale. The sale price was for $750. There's one card in the sale. Hit next. You can cancel, you can go back. This is just showing what items on the screen. And let's hit complete sale. So now it'll show you the orders, it'll show you total sales, and it'll show you profit from the buy price and the market price. So that's pretty much everything that I did. I'll probably go through and continue to use this because it's something that is that I thought would be easier than using Excel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.